YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Mr. Mitos. I'm back with another unboxing. And today, we got the Jetwood. It's an Amazon Hype RC. Check it out. 1/14 scale, brushless, four-wheel drive, off-road truck. That's been getting a lot of great reviews. A lot of folks been saying this is it. You know, it's pretty cheap, and decided to pull the trigger on this bad boy. You guys can see the remote diagram, and give it a shot. Add it to the collection, to the arsenal. Excuse me. Another 1/14 scale truck or RC. With this purchase, I also bought a little ramp to go with it, guys. So I'm actually gonna, venture off into that type of bash, jumping. And why not start off with something cheap? So it'll be this guy that I'm gonna start with. So as soon as the ramp come, I'll start to shoot videos using a little Amazon ramp. But enough being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. There's a ton of videos with this already, so you guys already know what comes in the box, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up anyway. To be honest with you, this is my second one. The first time that it was delivered, it came with a big old puncture hole in it, right here, inside the box. Like, the Amazon box is cool, but this box had a hole in it. Go ahead and take it out the box. Check it out. I mean, they package it pretty good. Oh, it comes with the light in the back. Okay, that's what's up. Pretty dope. Get this paper up out of here. It's pretty sick. I like the graphics on here. It's pretty dope. Nice. And then we got this bad boy, this purple joint. It's a Lakers colorway. Yeah, okay. It's got some weight to it. Definitely got some weight to it. It's pretty stout. I'll go ahead and pop this off. And there's no body clips on here, but it's stuck. Hold on, wait a minute. Damn. Can they make the holes any tighter? Okay, it's plugged in with the light. Let me pull this off. Can I take it out? I can take it out. Pull. Let's see. I want to break it. Break my nail. All right, I'm gonna leave it on there because I don't even know how to take it off. But check this out. You know what? Screw that. Give me 1 second. I'm taking this off. All right, I got it. Yeah, they didn't make it easy. I had to actually. Maybe I should have read the directions. I had to use an actual tool to pry the pins out in order for it to come out. I mean, that's a good thing. The body's not gonna. The lights ain't gonna come unconnected, which is pretty dope. I ain't gonna hold you, but I'm glad I took my time and not just pulled it out and broke it. So that being said, the body's off, you guys. Comes with a battery on the inside, already ready to rock and roll. 3S battery. Let's see. Yeah, man, this thing is pretty heavy. I guess I'm used to the lighter art, 1/14 scales. This one got a lot more weight to it. The chassis is pretty thick. It's metal. Dope. Came with a fan on the motor and the ESC. Oil filled shocks. Nice. Nice. Turn around in the back. It's got metal CVDs, or is those dog bones. Cool thing, it's got adjustable turnbuckles. That's nice. Armor Chrome don't have that, but again, Armor Chrome is only 140 bucks. Jetwood is, I guess that's a light in the front too. It's pretty dope. Yup. I don't know. We're gonna check this out. We're gonna see. I see the Phillips screws on this bad boy to let you know that it's one of them ones. It's one of them ones. Alright, it's what's up. Tires is pretty straight. 12mm hex. Got some flexibility in the spoiler or the wing. Dean's plug. Alright, that's what's up. Let me see what's in this box. Hold on. Oh, wheelie bar. Alright. Tools and a charger. A-arms and some springs. These body clips. Okay. Damn, they give you a grip of them. They say you're gonna lose them, so here's some more. Additional CVDs, hinge pins, edge pins, however you want to call it. Extra battery. Camera up for a second. Alright, now what I may do, you guys, I may go ahead and switch out the receiver with one of my radiolink receivers so I can run my other remote and not even deal with this remote at all. Alright guys, so that is that. And then over here, looks like we got the manual, got some stickers, bullet wounds, gunshot holes. Alright. That's what's up. And then, last but not least, got some chassis. These is pretty thick, so it look like it's some chassis stickers. Look at that one. I haven't seen that one before. That was dope. Got the skull. Then you got the bald eagle. Nice. Let me use this one right here. Go ahead and throw that bad boy on there. Dopeness. Alright, you get a lot in that little box. So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and get the battery charged up, change out the receiver, and then I'll catch you guys outside. Let's get it. Who would have thought? Put some foams on the Jetwood. Let's check it out. Got a GoPro GPS, and let's just see what it do. Let's try 50% first. Let's reset it. Let's see if I can reset this line. All right. Here's 50%. You guys see that? 50% throttle right there. All right. So try it. Bring it down and make it come back. Back. Let's try it one more time. All right, bring it back. 25 miles an hour on 50%. Alright, so let's bump it up. Let's do 75%. Alright, let's do it. Barely can see that, Mommy.
Yes.
What is that? 35 miles an hour. 35. Alright, let's try. Oh no. I'm gonna try 100%. Let's see if we can. Oops. First time for everything was 100%. Let's see if we can not break it. Down this time. Shout out to that radiolink. One more time. Trying. I can see it now. I can go down as far with the spectrum. Oh no, wait a minute. Ain't no 35 mile an hour. Somebody's tripping. That was quicker, huh? Look like it. Hold on.
Did you reset it or do you have to reset it?
Oh, it's dead. It's about to die. Wow. I know that was quicker than that. One more time. This could not be accomplished with the stock tires. Not at all. He is dead. Ah. He's dead. But yeah, check this out, guys. What you think? Jetwood, up to no good in the neighborhood. You feel me? Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it this way. I think I am. You guys let me know what you think. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope Amazon pickup. And if you like what you see, hit that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget that the raffle ends next week. So if you pan over here to my truck, That's the giveaway, guys. That's the giveaway. That's the giveaway. Make sure you follow the rules in my last video with my 14B to enter into the giveaway. And it could be yours. I will be using a random drawing tool for YouTube to pick the winner. So good luck to everybody. And Jetwood. It's your boy Mr. Mitos. Peace and blessings. Go.